Today I'm going to check out a property that hasn't been complete yet, and I want to show you what it looks like at the moment and tell you about how much it costs and how much can you pay it over time. Let's go! So this property hasn't been complete yet. It has 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 balconies, a living room and a kitchen. So these properties are only $52,000 and it's freehold. So we're going to check out this property. So as you can see here, this is the living room. Stairs, and this is the bathroom. And this is the kitchen area. So they will build the cardboard, gas stove, and the sink, all of this area. And this is the backyard. The good thing about this property, you can pay it over time. Only $168 per month for 1 year with 0 interest. And this is the bathroom. The bathroom is okay. It's quite small, but it's clean. After the property is finished, it should be clean. I do like the wall though. It's white, plain white. And this is on the 2nd floor. So it has 2 rooms and 3 bathrooms. So this is the 1st room. The 1st room is okay. It's okay. It's clean. I do like the floor. It's really clean, like plain clean. And it has a balcony here. Oh my God, I love the birds. So many birds are here. They are singing, really peaceful. And the backyard, it's quite nice. The backyard is quite nice. You can hang some clothes. And the balcony it's quite a good view. It's not bad at all. For $52,000, it's not bad. So this is the 1st room, and this is the 2nd room. Usually when the property hasn't complete yet, usually it's cheaper. This is the 2nd room. The bathroom is bigger than the 1st room. And this is the room. It's quite nice. This room is bigger than the 1st room. And another balcony. So it has 2 balconies here. Like I say, these properties is $52,000, and this property you can pay it over time with 1 year 0 interest, and you pay it for $168 per month. After that, you need to go to the bank and discuss with the bank, and you pay around $300 per month up to 25 years. It doesn't matter you pay in 5 years or in 10 years or in 25 years, the interest will be the same. And the property location is 15 minutes to the Pop Street and 12 minutes to the bigger local market in Siem Reap and 26 minutes to Angkor Wat Temple by a moped. Around this area is quite quiet. So if you're a person who likes nature and quiet, this area is the best. Anyway guys, if you have any more questions or want to know about this property, you always can comment me. I'm not a property agency, so you can ask me anything you want, because I just like to go and share and check out property. That is my hobby. I hope you guys like it, and see you next time. Bye.